Well, this is not the end crochet, and on February the 26th, I said, well, let me try to order yarn online again. But this time, I tried someplace different. Since I was disappointed in my Michaels try, I thought I'd try Premier, because they don't really get it around here. All they get around my area is the puzzle. And I said, well, let's try something different. So here we have it. And this is what I ordered. Believe it or not, this is $32 worth of yarn. Can you believe that? So let's open up and see how tiny these things really are. Let's see. Don't cut anything. This is supposed to be 5 cakes and 5 little cakes. Oh my gosh, that is really small. Leaf is wrapped. Can't say that for Michael. Some little cakes. Oh my gosh. They're teeny tiny. I kind of like that one. Too bad it's so puny. Did they send me an invoice? Nope. Well, trade-off is that it is Premier, but it's expensive. If you look at it from the point of view of how many yards are in these little cakes, it's very expensive. According to my budget. Now that I have them. Let's see, hat. 2 hats, or maybe a really big scarf. The Sweet Roll Vivids are 174 yards, and they were $4.99. But hey, I got it now. I'll find somewhere to put it until I can get to it.